China guys to everything. Today we're going to learn how to make money online, how to make 250,000 naira online without doing anything. Today I'm going to introduce you to a website where you can make that such kind of money without you doing much. If you are in Nigeria today, making money is not so easy. But with this website, you have made it to be very, very easy. And also, most Nigerians, almost every household, every person in the house has a GSM phone or an Android phone. All you have to do, you are buying recharge card every day. You buy MTN, you buy Airtel, you buy Glo, you buy Nine Mobile. So instead of you now going to the kiosk to go and buy the airtime, you buy it from your phone. You want to buy data, you buy it from your phone. How do you achieve that? You just go to that it also has an app. I'm just going to put the link down for you on this on the description. Go there, click on the link, and just start and register and start recharging. Once you recharge, let's say for example you want to buy Airtel. If you buy Airtel of 100 naira, you'll be given 6 naira, 10 naira. If you buy MTN of 100 naira, you'll be given 6 naira. If you buy Glo of 100 naira, you'll be given 10 naira. If you buy Nine Mobile of 100 naira, also be giving 10 naira. So the same thing happens when you buy data. You could see that this is the website, everything. You could see Airtel, you could see MTN, Glo, Nine Mobile, and this is the data area of it. So when you want to buy data, buy from the website. As you buy, you'll be given any commission. You can buy for your neighbors. You can sell to your neighbors or buy for them, and you'll be given they give you money. You buy, you charge for them, and you are paying you earn a commission, and this commission can be withdrawn to the bank account immediately. So it's very, very easy to do. You just go there, click on it, click on which one you want to buy. I'm going to show you on this video how you can go about that. You can also buy Airtel data, MTN data, Glo data, Nine Mobile data, and all. You can also pay for your TV subscription. You are using DSTV, are using GoTV, are using StarTimes. You can also pay for all these bills, all the subscriptions through this particular app and also the website. So you want to pay electricity bill, you can pay. Is it Ikeja electric distribution payment? Is it Eco? Is it Abuja? Kano, Port Harcourt, Jos, Kaduna, Ibadan, etc. So you can pay any of these bills, all these electricity bills on this platform easily without you going to PSN office or going to any POS stand. You can also do that. You have somebody who wants to register for WAEC. You can also obtain registration pin from this website. You click on your WAEC registration pin, it gives you where you put the name of the person, and it generates the pay for you, and you pay. You just send money to your wallet, and from there you can be making all this transaction and be making profit out of it. You can also do, you can withdraw your money to the bank without you suffering how to withdraw the money. It can easily be withdrawn to your bank account. The other bills you can pay, other merchandise you can also pay for. If you also want to do the bulk SMS, this app will help you to do bulk SMS. Instead of you going to any other website to go and start looking how to do bulk SMS with this platform that I'm sharing with you now, that the link is on this video and on the description. Then now you know how to do that. You can also buy bulk SMS and make money from your bulk SMS and all that. You can also pay for your third-party insurance payments. You want to get insurance third party, you can also do that on this platform. You can also pay for HMO. You pay for HMO, pay for personal accident insurance and home cover insurance. You can do all that. I'm going to show you how that can be done. These are things you can do on this platform easily without you running to bank or running to any kiosk to go and do that. Let's, for example, I want to register now. I want to get Airtel recharge card. Just click this is Airtel logo. Just click Airtel. So to show you what you're going to see. You could see that it has pop up now. What do? Put your phone number here. You put your email address. Put the amount you want to do, and you continue. Automatically, it will be generated for you. Let's say, for example, now let's go back. Let's say, for example, I want to pay for MTN also. This is MTN. Click on MTN. Put your phone number, and you are good to go. You want to do that's how all of them. I want to pay for data also. Go down to data area. You put, let's say, pick Airtel for the data. You put your phone number. Select the type of whatever you want to do. Which of them you want to select data? Which one you want to select? Just select the one you want to recharge for the data, and you are good to go. Put your email address, your the amount you want to and do that, you are okay. You're okay to go. Also, you want to pay for DSTV subscription. Click DSTV subscription, and you also provide all the necessary details about your DSTV, your smart card number, everything is there. Also, if it's you also GoTV, your number, so ICU number and all that, provide it and provide it, your IUC number, provide it and put your email address and all that. You pay, and they will be, as you are doing that, you are earning. So once you anytime you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw. Start time also, you can also click start time and also recharge your start time without running header scatter and all that. So that's how it works. Let's go back again down to NEPA bill or PSCMB payments. You go to this also, they say STB payments. Let's say for example, now you're in Abuja, you just click Abuja, this is the distribution company. You just provide what your meter number, put your meter type, is it postpaid, is it prepaid? You just select, you put the meter number, put your phone number, put your email address, put the amount you want to do, so continue. Automatically, you will be recharged. It's very, very easy to use. So like I said before, if also WAEC, you want to generate PIN for WAEC, you can just come here, see WAEC result, check our PIN. If you want to check the result online, just go to this place to generate the PIN for and each step you make, you earn commission. Each step you make, whatever you do, you earn commission. You could see here, and I could see what is here. I've withdrawn, so amount, see what's remaining now in my wallet. I will withdraw. I've been making money out of it. See what is there in my wallet that I can withdraw at any time, and every day I make money out of it. So the link to this, to the link for you to start generating this revenue is on the description of the video. Just go there, click on it, and register. You are not paying any cover to register. It's free for you to register, and it's free for you to even move the money to the bank. So you make serious money. If you want to generate the PIN now for this WAEC, just put the person's the WAEC, just select WAEC, put the phone number, put this one, put the amount, and put the quantity. Just that you are good to go. So that's how it works. So it's very, very easy to very easy to use, and each step you make, like I said before, you generate what revenue, you make money out of it. So just go straight to the description box below and click on the link and start registering. You can register your brother, can register anybody. Just send them the username and password. They start making money out of it. So you can make 250,000 naira every month doing this. You can also refer your friends. You can refer your friends, share your friends. You can just tell them about it. You have a referral link there that is issued to you whenever you register, and refer people to also be part of this happening. You don't have to go to anywhere to go. Just from your comfort of your home, you recharge your phone. From the comfort of your home, you recharge your DSTV. From the comfort of your home, you buy a PIN to check your WAEC online. So you don't need to be running here and there to start start going to go. So with this particular link, you can easily website I've given you the link in the description box. You can easily make money, and you can also pay for any service at the comfort of your home. You can withdraw your commission at any time from the website. I believe this little tutorial is helpful. If it's helpful to you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Guys, to everything, subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, give us a thumb up, and I know you will make the money. You could see what I've just withdrawn now, and this is what has also accumulated. Because I'm also paying for my neighbors, my colleagues, and all that. I do for them. So you can also do for your people there, and you make each step you make. You're not even spending any money. So it's not like when they ask you, you have to deposit 20,000 naira before you start doing. No, it's free for you to register, and it's free for you to start making your money. So I recommend the site for you. Just click, go straight to the description box. You see the link, just click on it, go there, sign up. Use the link so that at least you know that yes, somebody referred you and all that. So use the link in the description box below and start making your money. I know as you are doing that, just be coming to the video to come and say thank you for this information. This thing is what I'm telling you is guaranteed. If you just go there, start doing it now, you start seeing the reward. If you just go, once just go to this place, you see like that. Now if you see I've earned now let me go back now. If you go back, this area that I've just clicked now is the area of the bulk SMS. By the time not permit me to talk about the bulk SMS, how you can compose your SMS. Maybe I will still talk about it, but let me come here first. You can see what I just earned now. You know, two naira that is there that I have to move to my wallet. Okay, let me, because of now that I've gone to this place, let me just see, talk about the bulk SMS. You can also do bulk SMS. You can just go here, click on switch, you know, click on this switch for you to go to bulk SMS. Let's say you're working in a school, you want to send bulk SMS, you don't need to start looking for, this is the place for you. Or you can just create the wallet. Now I have, they give me free SMS, this is 5 naira, like I used to send, you know, bulk. So you just go here, you input all this information, follow the whole guide here, how you can place the recipient numbers here with the message, compose the message, and what is there to there, just send your message. It's very simple. You know, you could see it here. This is where you compose the message. This is where you put the phone numbers. And after you have bought your unit for the SMS, for the bulk SMS, you just select and you are good to go. All you have to do is just for you to, you know, click send, and it says send message, and the message will go to everybody. Like if you want to send to 1 million people, it will go to the 1 million people. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, to everything, and use the link in the description box to start making money. If you know, even this one, once you subscribe, there's a lot of money that you are being paid. You are given a commission for being part of it. If you refer anybody to this, you also be paid for referring somebody. So just start making money. Start as you are charging 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira. Let the money come back to you, because you can't just leave that money. There's a lot of potentials in it. It's a very, very lucrative, you know, business. So just do it. It's legitimate. There's nothing, no string attached, no penalty. You don't pay any money to register. There's no hidden charges. Everything just straight. You get your commission. You see your commission. Just go to it, like I showed you before. Just go to your tab there. You could see send SMS easily with, you know, and also let me show you. If you just come here, all you have to do, you just see your money accumulating. Just come here, you see it, you see your total earnings. Once you go now, you just move it to your wallet, where you can easily cash out and send it to the bank. Thanks for watching the video. I believe you have been blessed. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, to everything, and also share with your friends about this wonderful information, how to make 250,000 naira monthly. You know, just doing nothing, just recharging your phone, recharging other people's phone, recharging their DSTV, you know, recharging their PSCM bill, and all that. You see the money, you know, swelling up every minute. And also, if you also refer anybody, you also get a commission for that. Thanks for watching my videos. Go to the description box below, click the link there, and start earning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.